Welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we'll be looking at this 2018 GMC Terrain Denali. This vehicle comes in a Summit White exterior color, 3M protection on the hood and front bumper, 4-door sport utility SUV, seats 5 in a light platinum interior color, carrying a 2-liter turbocharged engine with a 9-speed automatic transmission with an all-wheel drivetrain. Going into the front of the vehicle now, you have your blind spot indicator on the side mirror, 2 memory seat options up at the top with your power lock buttons, power side mirrors and power windows, rear trunk access controller with your Bose speaker down at the bottom, and storage spaces. Door panel comes in a light platinum and gray leather, wood grain insert. Both front seats are powered in a perforated light platinum leather. You have Denali stitched in the headrests, lumbar sport headrest adjustment. You have your park brake down to the left of the steering wheel. Light gray leather wrap steering wheel. You have your cruise control, gap adjustment, heated steering on the left. Volume control just behind the steering wheel. Menu selection and voice recognition on the right. This vehicle is a push to start, foot down on the brake. Analog front dash with a digital speedometer. This vehicle comes with a backup camera with 360-degree bird's eye view. AM/FM radio with Sirius XM capabilities with Bluetooth. This vehicle comes with navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Wi-Fi hotspot. You can pair your Spotify, My GMC app, and the Amazon Alexa. Underneath you have your manual climate control. You have your gear shift buttons, so park, neutral, and L is your push. Reverse and drive are pull. Obviously you have your gear shift for your lower and up. Auxiliary USB port with your SD card and 12-volt power bank. 2 cup holders. Park assist. Heated and ventilated front seats. Lane keeping assist. Hill inclination. 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive with your off-roading and trailering mode. You have your all-wheel drive indicator as well. Wireless phone charging up at the front. Light platinum leather wrap center console. Extra USB ports. Lots of extra storage space. Rear view mirror. Up top you have your sunglass compartment. Universal garage opener. Sunroof and moonroof controls. Overhead lighting. Sun visor with an illuminated vanity mirror for the driver's side as well as the passenger side. Handle grips on either side of the vehicle. You also have your dual pane sunroof. Going around the left-hand side of the vehicle now, we'll start off with the 19-inch Evoque aftermarket rims on all-season tires. This vehicle does come with a full set of stock GMC rims on studded winter tires. Chrome side mirror with an integrated turn signal. Color match keyless entry handle grips. You have your capless gas tank. Chrome badging along the vehicle, dual exhaust with rear parking sensors, backup camera with the rear wiper blade, powered trunk just down at the bottom, access to the rear trunk space. You have your 60/40 split rear seats, full set of carpeted mats with an all-weather rear cargo liner, storage space underneath. Little levers here to fold your seats. Power button up at the top right. Going into the rear of the vehicle now, you have your light platinum and gray leather door panel with a wood grain insert. Nice big speaker and storage space down at the bottom. Rear seats are in a light platinum leather, foldable rear seats. Collapsible middle seat gives you 2 cup holders and an armrest. Leather magazine holders at the rear of both front seats. Air vents with heated rear seats, USB, and a 112 volt power bank down at the bottom. Overhead lighting and handle grips with access to the dual pane sunroof. This vehicle is also fitted with a full set of all-weather rubber liners. Finishing up with the right-hand side of the vehicle now, you have the shark fin antenna at the rear, mix of chrome and black trim around the windows and along the bottom of the doors. This vehicle comes with remote start. You have your halogen LED headlights, fog lights, chrome grille with a built-in camera, front parking sensors. If there's anything else you'd like to know about the vehicle, check us out at our website at wolfecadillac.com or visit us at our dealership here in Edmonton, Alberta over on Stony Plain Rd. As always, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.